We shout, protect Mother Nature. We protest against cutting down trees, but then we go ahead and apply sunscreens containing oxybenzone and octinoxate, ingredients linked to not only hormone disruption in humans, but also marine ecosystem damage. It's like we are all Thanos. Pause and let that sink in. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I create content around beauty and healthy recipes because I believe skincare works best inside out. Let's understand now. When we swim, shower, or wash our face, sunscreen washes off into rivers, oceans, and eventually coral reef zones, and they don't just disappear. Oxybenzone gets converted inside corals into phototoxic compounds, and when sunlight hits, it creates free radicals, making sunlight itself toxic for corals. Octinoxate, on the other hand, interferes with coral growth and reproduction, weakening reefs already stressed by warming oceans. Now, why does this matter? Coral reefs are not just underwater ecosystems. They support nearly 25% of the marine life, protect coastlines from erosion and flooding, and sustain fish populations that feed millions of people. When reefs collapse, marine food chains break, coastal damage increases. And where does the impact eventually reach? Land and human life. Now, what about new gen filters? New gen UV filters like Mexoryl SX, Tinosorb S, and Tinosorb M are more photostable and less reactive than older chemical filters. This makes them a step forward in sunscreen formulation. However, their long term environmental studies are still ongoing and they have not yet been approved as completely marine safe, only safer compared to the older chemical filters. Now, what's the best option? The answer is very simple: mineral sunscreens. Mineral filters like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are currently considered the most reef conscious options, especially in non nano form. It's important to note that some studies suggest nano-sized zinc oxide and nano-titanium dioxide may also affect marine organisms, depending on the particle size, coating, and concentration. So again, formulation and usage matters. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. I too was unaware. Maybe we all have existing sunscreens with these ingredients stocked up in our closets. Throwing them away can be hard on the pocket. So let's finish them up and try not to buy ones with these ingredients the next time. Protecting our skin should not come at the cost of our planet. Being informed helps us choose better for our skin and for our ecosystems we depend on. Follow for evidence based beauty, skincare, and health because real beauty is always inside out.